Joe Beermaster, we have a 2008 Dodge Avenger that will not shift. I cannot get it out of park, no matter what I do. So I made a previous video on how to get in here, take the trim off to release it, but I'm going to show you what the solution is to the problem. It's very cheap and it's very easy to do. A lot of people complain that they put it in drive and it'll go in reverse. Well, I'm going to now show you what the problem is. So I drew a diagram here. Here's the shifter, here's the cable. The cable's got an end on it and it goes to the linkage lever of the transmission, and right there the cable comes off because there's a little plastic clip that breaks, and this comes off, which forces you not to be able to shift properly. So to repair it, we bought a clip, one of these clips here. Now I'm not sure if this is the right one, but this one should work. They do sell it for this model car. There are several different types. And we're going to put that clip on through here and reconnect it so it will shift. I put it on by hand and it works, but it pops off. That's why I got to put that clip on there. So now we're going to go out to the vehicle and I'm going to show you where the clip goes on the car itself. So here we go. We're at the car. And if you look carefully down in here, you can see where that little spring is. That is the cable. Try to get in there so you can see it. So there is the cable down in there. I don't know if you can see it right there. There's a little pin that goes through that hole there. I don't know if you can see it. See the hole? That's where the clip goes, and it goes on a pin that's down there on the transmission linkage. That's the. And one more thing, make sure you get the remainder of the clip off the stud so that the new clip will hold. Flip this up. There's two down in there. Well, so we'll take this lower box out, and there you can see everything pretty good. So the key is to get this to connect to that. I already put the rubber sleeve on. Oh, just dropped it. To connect this cable to this pin. See it? We do have a clip. They gave us two kinds of clips, so we're going to see which one works. Once you get that clip in there to secure this, then the job is done. The vehicle will run. It's real easy to do. If you get the breather box out, I'm trying to leave the wires connected to the top piece so you don't have to reset the computer. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. And we're going to finish it up now.